rewarding myself inside here, Bloomers. They sell homemade donuts, gluten-free, vegan, and all that. So, of course, I have to get a jelly donut. So that's a raspberry jelly donut. This is orange, cranberry orange fritter. I always like to try 2 types. I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. I'll cut a piece and try it. So we're downtown Toronto, Queen Street West, and Tecumseh. Yeah, on the south side, east south side. Yeah, so let's give it a try. All right, so I'm gonna try. I already ripped this to show on my live stream, but this is how it looks. Pretty big. Oh, look at that inside. Look at that. Alright. Again, I'm not eating the whole thing. Right now I'm just showing how the donut looks like. And I love jelly donuts when they load up the icing sugar on top. Alright, so we're gonna cut it open to have a look. Whoa, look at that. Amazing. Gotta show my live stream. Alright. Back on. So, I don't even know if I'm gonna eat half of this. Look at all the powder. As much as I love the powder, but it's falling all over the place. But it's making a mess. Okay, at least I'm gonna put one of them back. I'll put this piece back. We'll see. I have a latte here. So this cafe is more like vegan and gluten-free. Some things are gluten-free, and the latte they offer soy milk, oat milk, and no cow milk and that sort of thing. So that's how it looks so far. Gotta taste it still. Back on. So I've been live streaming on my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz C, as well as Multitask with Liz C. Been out shoveling snow. This is my shovel look. All right, so let's give it a try. So cranberry and orange, I think. Yeah. Nice. Take a bite. It's good. The texture is good. It's fresh. It's not dry. I know. It's good. Another coffee. Yeah, it's not it's not sweet. I don't know. It's perfect. A little hint of orange, cranberry. Very good, nice. The coffee goes down nice flavor. It's a latte. Look at all that filling. Very generous on the filling, so that's a good thing. Sorry, I got more of the powder on my pants. Okay, good. Very good. Oh. fresh and yummy. My first time here, so I like it. Well, coming at the end of, like, in the evening, so it's less people, which I like for because I'm streaming, right? So, and the music, they don't have any music on right now, so that's a good thing. So I will be back here for sure. So on Queen Street, when I edit this, I'll post the address and everything. So take your bite. Yummy. Very good. Take your bite. Shameless plug. Please check out my main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Liz O.C., for the unedited live replay.